In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bose Quiet Comfort 35.2 headphones to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two main ways to do this. I'm going to go over both in this video, and you can choose whichever one you prefer. The first one might be more convenient. If you are able to download the Bose Connect application from the App Store, you will be able to use it to set up your Bose headphones. So if you want to download this app, open the App Store and look for Bose Connect. Alternatively, follow along in the video, and I'm also going to be talking about the manual pairing method. So when you download this app, you will be able to enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and power on your QC35 headphones. So slide the power switch to the on position, and once this is done, press and hold the power button. This will automatically put them into pairing mode. Inside of the Bose Connect app, it should automatically detect the headphones, and if it doesn't right away, just choose the option to add a device and follow through with the process inside of the app. Alternatively, if you don't like using the app, or you just want to do it manually on your own, just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and once again, power on your headphones. Once the QC35 is powered on, you will be able to press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt indicating that they are in pairing mode. You might also see the LED indicator flash. Once this is done, if you go over to the Bluetooth category where you are able to enable the setting, you will be able to find it under the list of available devices. So just choose the Bose headphones from the list of available devices, and it will automatically sync itself up to the iPhone. Now, all of the audio being output on the device will go over to your headphones. You can use it as much as you want, and every single future time that you turn them on, they will automatically turn themselves up with the iPhone. You can remove them later if necessary, and you can repeat this process if you notice any problems while trying to set this up. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bose Quiet Comfort 35.2 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.